Middle Creek Nature Loop is a moderately easy 3.5-mile trail that can be enjoyed by hikers of all ages. Located on the western side of the Tennessee District, this trail highlights the geology of Big South Fork National River and Recreation Area, containing over a dozen different rock shelters. The geologic formations found throughout the park are composed of sedimentary rocks called sandstone. The rock structures found throughout the trail were formed by a powerful process called weathering. This process is the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces by the power of wind, moving water, ice, and even plants. These unique rock structures were also created by a process called differential erosion, the selective erosion of surfaces worn away at different rates depending on their density and composition. Softer sections of rock and areas of weakness are eroded away at a faster rate, leaving behind the more resistant rock sections that form unique little pockets in the rock called tuffoni. Over time, these pockets grow larger, forming the spectacular structures seen today. Stay behind the wooden fence as you make your way through the largest of the rock shelters. This fence protects a fragile environment of unique plants and animals. Middle Creek Nature Loop provides an adventure the whole family can enjoy.